For those of you where they doubt whether I still dey do electrician or I know they do, you never give me work. Then they doubt. You know they do it. You dey do it. Now me be this. It's me be this. It's me there here. Now me there here with my voice. You see, I still dey do it. Now follow come direct. Give me work. No they say you know the drum or in the drum. See, all kind of wiring, conduit, surface, trunking pipe, even industrial. That's what I do for a living. No kind of doubt whether more fun is still they do the work, more fun no they dey do electrician. That's my identity. What do be this? I beg, give me work. No carry my money, give another person. I beg. I still they do electrician. More fun is still they do electrician. Why you they talk say you know they do am, they do am. Any kind of electrical wire, both conduit, surface, trunking pipe, industrial, factory wiring. That is what I call to. That mean they here now, not be me, but at work. The electrician I beg, give me work. Give me work. When they talk, I know they do. Call me first, give me work. Come and see. Now me they here. It's me be this. Don't be me they here. Now my work. See now.